Jay, finish this sentence. I have blank waiting for you.
I have been waiting for you.
Good. Now, she is blank very helpful.
She is being very helpful.
And I want to blank honest with you.
I want to be honest.
3 different answers, 3 different words. Do you actually know why?
Honestly? No, I just guessed.
And that is exactly why we made this episode. Welcome to Talk Mira. We are just starting this journey, and if this episode helps you, subscribing is the best way to support us.
Real English every week. Let's go.
Today, one topic: be, been, and being. 3 forms of the same word that confuse almost every English learner. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly which one to use every single time.
No more guessing. Final answer today. Okay, Mira, I'll show everyone how I used to talk. Ready?
Go ahead.
I have been doing this wrong. She has been very patient with me. I want to being more careful next time.
Jay, that was 3 mistakes in 3 sentences.
They all sound similar. How is anyone supposed to know?
That is literally what today is for. Same sentences, fixed.
I have been doing this wrong. She is being very patient with me. I want to be more careful next time.
Perfect. 3 sentences, 3 different words. All correct.
They do sound different when you say them right.
Be, been, and being. 3 forms of one word confuse English learners at every level. Not because learners are careless, but because nobody explains when each one is used. You have been guessing this whole time because the explanation was never given to you. Today, that changes.
So how do I know which one to use? Because they all feel like the same word to me.
Think of it like a light switch with 3 settings. Be is the switch when it is completely off. The base, the starting point, what something simply is. Being is the switch mid-click, an action happening right now, in this moment. Been is the switch that was turned on before, something that happened or continued from the past.
So BE is the base, what something just is.
Exactly. I want to be honest. I want to be ready. BE describes a state, something that simply exists.
And being is right now, happening in this moment.
She is being helpful. Right now, in this moment, she is doing it. He is being funny. Watch him. It is happening now.
And been is something from before, that continued.
I have been waiting. The waiting started before and continued. She has been working hard, not just today, but for a while. Been always comes after have or has.
So been needs have or has before it. Always?
Always. If you see have or has, the next word is been. Every single time.
What about just been there? Like I have been there before.
Perfect example. Have been. Past that continued to now. Switch was on before.
Off switch, mid-click was on before. I actually understand this.
Don't sound so surprised.
Mira, I feel like I have been making progress lately.
Really? What kind of progress?
Well, I am being more careful with my words. I actually want to be someone who speaks naturally.
Jay, 3 sentences, all 3 forms, all correct.
Have been, past continuing to now. Being, right now, this moment. Be, the base, what I want to be.
Everyone, did you catch that? Jay used all 3 naturally in normal conversation. Have been for the past, being for right now, be for the base state. Light switch, off, mid-click, was on. No hesitation. Quick fix time. B. Base state. I want to be ready. No helper word needed. Being, right now. She is being helpful. Happening in this moment. Been. Past continuing. I have been waiting. Always needs have or has before it. Every time you guessed between these three, you were doing your best with what you had.
Next time you are not sure, ask yourself, am I talking about a base state, right now, or the past? Off switch, mid-click, was on. 2 seconds. Right answer.
And if today helped, subscribing takes 1 second, and it genuinely means the world to us. We make this for you every single week.
Keep talking.